Thank you, research scholars, for the melodious number. Now we come to the other part of the program, that is Rashtriya Ekta Divas Pledge. The pledge in Hindi will be led by the chief guest, Professor M.K. Sinha, and following him will be the Rashtriya Ekta Divas Pledge in English that Professor Moshi Mela Jamir, HOD Department, will lead us. So after chief guest is done, let them come on. Now I request the volunteers to please come with the banner, because along with the pledge we also need photography with the banner. And since we cannot place two banners at the back, so we have made these arrangements. Thank you.
मैं सत्यनिष्ठा से शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं राष्ट्र की एकता, अखंडता और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए स्वयं को समर्पित करूँगा और अपने देशवासियों के बीच यह संदेश फैलाने का भी भरसक प्रयास करूंगा। मैं यह शपथ अपने देश की एकता की भावना से ले रहा हूँ, जिसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की दूरदर्शिता एवं कार्यों द्वारा संभव बनाया जा सका। मैं अपने देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने के लिए अपना योगदान करने का भी सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करता हूँ।
I solemnly pledge that I dedicated myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor M.K. Sinha, the chief guest, for leading the pledge in Hindi, and Professor Mokshiman Jamir, HOD Department of Geography, for leading the pledge in English.